Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this cool vacuum cleaner by company Jelly Pig. I was sent it for review, so let's open the box and try it. Inside we have instruction. So many different brushes. Oh, I love the beautiful gold color, actually looks cool. Alright, second part, the main. Alright, let's assemble it first. This vacuum cleaner comes with battery, so you just have to place it right here, like that. Hop, until click. If you need to recharge it, just cool. Alright, let's install this part. Goes right here. Size actually adjustable, so you can extend the size if you like. Alright, and connect to this part. It's actually pretty easy to assemble it. Look, just 2 steps. So, as well, we have a screen right here. It shows charging level, minimum, middle, and maximum power. So let's clean my apartment, and let's see how it works with coffee beans. And now it's medium level. Wow, so fast, very clean, and it's pretty quiet actually. And I love this vacuum cleaner because it's rotated, so I can clean under my I switched the brush, and now we're gonna clean this sofa. Perfect, very fast and great result. You see all stuff inside this box. So let's clean this vacuum. That's it. Just press this button and you can clean your vacuum so fast. Some stuff after Christmas tree we just installed with my family. I will definitely recommend you to buy this vacuum cleaner. It's so powerful. It comes with this charging port, so you can place it in your closet or your basement. As well, so many different brushes. You can clean your sofa or maybe your car. Great quality, easy to use, beautiful design, and very easy to clean actually. I will definitely recommend you can buy it on Amazon.